So this is Newton Tech, the future of education. This is our archetype. His name's Josiah. He's a great friend of mine, and a couple weeks ago he sent me this picture, and he was in lab and he had literally no idea what was going on. So I thought, okay, this is hilarious, but at the same time I thought, maybe this is a bigger problem than I thought it was. So it turns out that after doing the research, 60% of science, technology, engineers, and math majors drop out or change majors. And that is insanely high. So I wanted to look into that.
So Tari, she had an assignment due at midnight, and then at 11 she was deciding how she was going to go about solving the problems. So first she went to Course Hero, was not satisfied. It only gave her a few of her answers that she needed and she wasn't learning anything. So next she tried Chegg, and same thing, it's where you have to pay, and so she couldn't find me the answers, not satisfied. And then she went to Khan Academy after the assignment was due, trying to really learn, but it was just a reiteration of what her professor had told her, and it wasn't anything new.
So we looked into it, and it turns out there is literally millions of articles on any subject that you could ever wish to learn. But the thing is, when you have models that look like this, how are you really going to learn it? It's terrible to learn. So the issue isn't about looking at new content, it's about reorganizing it. Next slide. And that's our goal. We basically want to sift through all of the data on the internet and in textbooks and all those things that we don't want to use, and we get the good examples, and with those examples we create better models, and finally we package that all together into a nice package with a bow tie on top. So when you give it to a student, here it is, this is all you need, voila.
And so we're focusing to make a product that is an all-in-one immersive experience that includes the descriptions and the equations that you need to learn the concepts, and the 3D models that you can manipulate, zoom in and out, and look into. Presenting Newton AR. So our product is Newton AR, and our goal is to reinvent the learning process and make it more creative and interactive for our users.
So to bring this product to market, we plan on going through these private tutoring companies. We'll show them some demo apps, and eventually they'll buy a license from us, and then through them they can show their students the app, teach them how to use it, and the students will have the option to download it in the App Store to use at home.
So this is our timeline. First we had to find a pain point in learning, and then we gathered customer interviews, and then next we gathered feedback based on our MVP. Our future steps are going to start with application creation and rollout. Next, we'll expand to multiple fields and subjects, and then introduce additional learning tools and technology.
So to create this app, we are asking for $1,000, and this will go towards hiring software engineers and also a UI designer to help bring this augmented reality application to students and these tutoring centers.
We are Newton AR.
I'm Jessie.
I'm Peter.
I'm Christian.
And I'm Eric.
And we're focusing to create an immersive AR experience for students and tutors and educators of all time.